Hello, everybody. I'm like fixing my shirt. Hold on. Okay, so we got a Twitter.
Yep.
We got tweeted. What do you say? Tweeted.
We got tweeted.
Twittified. Twitted. With something.
We got
Anyways,
a tweet.
We got a tweet from CrunchDaddy.com, and they
Daddy Popcorn. I hope that's their website.
No, it's CrunchDaddy.com.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
And they want to be our official. They want to be our official popcorn. They want to be the official popcorn sponsor of Chicks on the Right, which we have never.
No one has ever offered to be our official anything.
I mean, seriously.
This is a big deal.
Now, if we could just get Christian Louboutin to be the official shoe supplier for Chicks on the Right, then we wouldn't even need to get paid. Because I would be okay with that.
Yeah.
But look, this is like, here's one.
They sent us a supply
really
of different
good.
flavors.
There's that.
Really interesting flavors.
There's some peanut butter, and then they had maple and bacon.
Maple and bacon.
Mama like.
Which, yeah,
it's really good. So we have a sponsor.
We have a sponsor. And it means, I'm thinking, it means that we get a lifetime supply of popcorn. I hope, Crunch Daddy, that that was part of the plan.
Because I like popcorn.
It's really good. So yay for Crunch Daddy. And we are ready to